and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Sarah. I am currently sitting in what hopefully will become my new sit-down filming spot. However, I'm sitting on the pieces of the chair that I still have to build. So my room is slowly coming along, but hopefully that will be in a video quite soon. Today's video is a home decor type video. I am remodeling or redesigning our linen closet. I'm taking advantage of the fact that it required a fresh coat of paint, so it is emptied out and a fresh canvas to be designed. I love how this turned out, and I found so much joy in this project. Before we get into that, if you are enjoying this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so that you never miss when I post. Another shameless plug, my sister and I just launched our podcast on Monday, so all of the information for that will be in the description box, and I would love if you check that out. We post new episodes every Monday. Now that you've heard enough from me, let's get into the video. This project was born out of a desire to have a linen closet that was easily accessible and usable so that I could change my own sheets when I felt like it. Because as I came home from college, I started doing my own laundry, and so it would be nice to be able to toss my sheets in the laundry and then just put on a new pair, because I do have 2 sets of sheets at school, and I know I have more than 2 sets at home. So this is kind of where this project was born. Our linen closet was always messy and very hard to use. You kind of had to search through it to find what you were looking for, and that would make a big mess and really take a lot of time. It wasn't like a quick, enjoyable experience. The space was not always like maximized. Like, we always had things falling out when you would open it, and it wouldn't always be able to close because there'd be sheets on the floor and no one understood why. There was no room for towels or hand towels, and we didn't really have a good place for them because our bathroom closet has a lot of other things in it, and it just was very confusing, and I didn't understand why it wasn't working. So I decided to take the project upon myself, since we had to empty it entirely for construction, and maximize the space and kind of reinvent the way it was used. I began by doing some online shopping to receive the things we needed. I decided to go with a black and white theme. I thought the black would really stand out and give it some personality against some of the softer colors that we had chosen for the hallway and the wood now that it was white. And then also keeping with that white theme, I didn't want to go anything too crazy to compete with that. So I selected black cubes. They're 11-inch room essentials from Target. And then I also got a bigger white bin so that we could put some towels in the bottom. And the 2 black cubes would fit across, which was nice. I was able to test that out. And then I got some black and white wallpaper to give it some personality. All of these things I got from Target online. My mom has a red card, so we get free shipping with that, but you also, I believe, can pick up all of these items in store. Please be safe and wear a mask. So the process, I started by cleaning each of the shelves because there had been paint in there and everything, and I just wanted to make sure I started with something clean, and I wiped down the walls. I measured and wallpapered the wall, not actually the shelves. Originally, I was going to do the shelves, but I thought it actually would stand out nicer and not be as busy when you opened it. This was an actual design game changer, and I felt like it pulled everything together, and it looks significantly like cooler, more modern, more thought through. Clearly it's not necessary. Like, the wallpaper was something that was just added for design, but I really love how it looks. But I did underestimate the difficulty and my math ability. So definitely measure and measure again. I did make it work, but I hope that when I do it in my bathroom closet that it's a little bit more of an easier experience. Then I sorted through the linens and I removed any that were old, holey, or needed to be donated. My mom is kind of the mind right now that we need to get rid of things that we haven't used. We've never moved, so this house is just like collected things, and we're finally old enough to kind of go through everything, and it's a good opportunity now that we moved out. So I went through all the sheets and kind of went through them and got rid of what we did or didn't need. Then I created an organization system for the ease of use. So starting at the top shelf, we have pillowcases, which everyone can use. Below, there's one bucket for sheets that fit my bed and one bucket for sheets that fit my parents' bed. And then below that, my sister and my brother have the same size bed, so that is for twin sheets. Below that, we have hand towels and washcloths, which will be nice when we have guests and things. And then finally at the bottom, we have that white bucket for rolled up towels. So my parents' extra towels will be in their room because hypothetically they wouldn't really have a guest, but that way in the bottom of our linen closet, there'll be extra towels in case there is a guest in the house. So finally, I put everything all together. At the top, we're going to get these black sleek bags for the blankets and comforters and extra things like that we have up there. But currently, we're still working on figuring out which comforters we want to keep and that kind of thing, and collecting everything from colleges and figuring out what Megan's taking, all of that. So it's not prepared yet, but that will be what is in the top. The sorting process is far from done, as there are still boxes to go through that have been undiscovered, towels to find, and new towels to buy, because it is time definitely to rotate through our towel system. There are some towels in there that have outlived me. Everything that is usable will be donated. I believe we're going to take most of the sheets and the towels to one of our local homeless shelters, because especially in this time, it's really important, but it is kind of time to go through things, and it's a good opportunity to do so. Overall, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm planning to do a similar design on the bathroom closet, like I said. So if you would like to see that, please leave me a comment down below. It should be coming in a later vlog or an entire bathroom video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I really enjoyed how this turned out, and we'll be implementing something similar in our bathroom closet, which is also in the hallway. If you'd like to see that in a full bathroom redesign video, I would love to do that for you. Please comment down below what your favorite organizational item is. Mine is definitely those weave totes from Target. You can't see it right now, but I have a teal one that was in my dorm room. Or not my dorm room, in my room at college. And yeah, I just love those baskets. I think they're perfect. I like that they don't have a lot of space in between them, and I use them in so many different ways. So again, if you'd like to see that in its own video, the bathroom closet and some of the bathroom redesigning, please comment down below your favorite organizational tool, as well as give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification so that you never miss when I post. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you somewhere else on the internet. Bye!